Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I have two coins here from you that are both Victorian. The larger one I believe is a Gothic crown. This one here is actually Indian silver. So basically you have the Gothic crown with the Queen with the crown that tilts back on her head, and on the back we have the Gothic crown view. You have four shields. You have two of England, one of Scotland and one of Ireland. You don't actually have a dragon on the shields. This was to do, I believe, and I found a little bit in the research that says the reason why you get two of England and you don't get a Welsh dragon is the fact that they thought of Wales as a principality and they're therefore part of England. It was England and Wales, so therefore they didn't use the Welsh dragon. The dates of these coins, the Gothic florins, was 1853. It has a mintage of 3,919,900. You have also the flower emblems on this side. This is probably the more interesting of the two coins. This again is of the same period and it has Victoria Empress on it. It's around about 1892, we believe, this one, which is some 40 years later. And whereas the Gothic one is 0.925 or 0.99, this one is 0.917 silver. So it's Indian silver. And on the back we have 1 rupee. We have the text, which is a feudal state text, and the state that it's from is the Icanian state, that's E-I-K-A-N-Y-N state. You have Victoria the Empress on the front, and then on the back you have Devagam and Persian text, and it's all to do with the Maharaj of Ganga Singh. This coin was around about was issued in 1892, and it is also, the state is also known as the Bakir state, and that's B-I-K-A-N-I-R state. The mintage for this coin is 596,000. Right. As with the other lots that I've been doing recently for the slightly older coins, we've been doing them in twos. The reason was for this is I bought them in twos from house clearances. However, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, can you think about subscribing? I know I'm 6 short at this moment of recording this video of making my aim of 100 subs for this year. So if you do subscribe to me, you'll be helping me hit that target, and I will be very grateful. I can taste getting to 100. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. And thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up the next time, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying. Bye bye. Ta-da.